Today I'm going over the Kensun portable air compressor. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm using a screen recording instead of footage of the unit itself. Not ideal, but this way you can still see the important specs, the controls, and how the features are laid out. The model is built around dual power use. It works on a standard car outlet at 12 volts and also plugs into a wall outlet at 110 volts. That alone makes it more flexible than a lot of cheaper pumps that only run off the car.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The body is compact but not really light. It feels more like a small tool than a gadget. The cables for both power options are stored inside the case, and they're not long, but they're enough for basic use. The front panel shows the pressure gauge. It's an analog gauge, not digital. Some people won't mind, but I'll be honest, it's harder to get precise readings if you want exact PSI. It's close enough for normal car tires, but anyone picky about pressure may not love the small needle movement. The gauge itself is readable, though, and doesn't fog up. The airflow is decent for a unit this size. It's not fast like a shop compressor, but it isn't painfully slow either. A standard car tire goes from low to usable pressure in a few minutes. You can hear the motor strain a bit near the upper PSI range, which is normal for portable inflators. The noise level is noticeable, not unbearable, but definitely not quiet. If you use it at night, you'll hear it through a garage door. The build feels sturdy. The outer shell is a mix of metal components and tougher plastic. It doesn't feel like something that will fall apart if you toss it in the trunk. The hose connectors screw in securely. The hose itself is short, which forces you to position the unit close to the tire. It works fine, but the short length can get annoying if the valve stem is at an awkward angle. Switching between DC and AC power is simple. There's no menu or special setup, you just plug in the cord you want. The motor performance doesn't seem to change much between the two sources. On AC, it feels slightly steadier, but the difference isn't big enough to matter unless you're inflating several items back to back. The unit also includes adapters for inflating smaller items. They work, but this compressor is really meant for tires first. It can fill balls or inflatable toys, but the airflow is too strong to be gentle, and you have to keep an eye on things. One thing worth noting is heat. After a longer inflation, the motor body gets warm. Not dangerous, but not something you want to touch immediately. Most pumps in this range behave the same way. The unit usually needs a short break between long inflations. Storage is simple because the case is self-contained, but fitting the cords back inside takes some patience. The space is tight and you have to coil everything exactly right or the cover won't shut. It's manageable once you get used to it. Overall, the Kensun portable air compressor pump is solid for basic tire maintenance. It has enough power for routine inflations, and the dual power design makes it useful at home and on the road. It's not perfect. The analog gauge is dated, the cables are short, and the noise is noticeable. But it gets the job done without fuss, and reliability seems better than many low-cost inflators. If this review helped, hit like and subscribe.